Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel and this is a Safir Hajen. Safir is a brand new brand, but it's a sister brand of Swedish established micro brand Selegin. Now I tried a Selegin watch before, the Helgonet, link up here, which was really high in build quality. Handling a few Selegin watches, they've always been super high in build quality. And they brought this over to the more affordable brand Safir. Safir is supposed to be a bit fun, a bit more affordable. In August, I think they have a discount on this watch. Come September, it won't be very expensive either for what you get. But let's jump into some specs and specifications, shall we? This watch is a NH36 Seiko movement, so this will give us the date complication. A day complication is fairly unusual, I find, at least in the micro world or in the watch world in general today. There's a bit of fun. The case is 38 millimeters, but the bezel is 39.5 millimeters, so it's protruding a bit, making it super grippy. Lug to lug is 45.5 millimeters, and the thickness is 12.5 millimeters. Making this a quite a chunky and solid little watch. Water resistance 200 meters, and as we turn the lights off we will soon see that BGW9 Swiss Superluminova. And here we have the lume shot of that Safir Hajen, and as you can see it's as legible in the evening or nighttime as it is during the daytime. Those big old minute and hour hands filled with lume. Even on this prototype everything is evenly applied, all the lume matches. No lume in the bezel insert apart from that lume pip though, but all in all really nice. So the Safir Hajen comes in two variations. It might not catch up on camera too good. There we go. This is the blue version, but it's such a dark sunburst blue that in certain lights it will appear black, and in some lights it will be dark blue, so really cool effect. It also comes in a black version, and as the dark blue version has orange details, the black version will have black details. And I forgot to mention in the beginning that this is a prototype. The finished product will be out September, I think. Now this watch is filled with fun little details, and watches can be fun sometimes. It doesn't always have to be deadly serious, but we'll get into that in a moment. First let's talk about this bracelet. It's a fairly standard bracelet, but as I understand in the microbrand world, bracelets are super expensive. However, this is a really nice one and it will work well, and the tolerance is extremely good. The articulation is super. We have a simple but effective fold over clasp. Looks mild, maybe a pressed upper half. Plenty of micro adjust. On the back side of the watch we have the first fun little detail. This is the Scandinavian blue shark, a shark that is actually up here in the north, and Hajen means shark in Swedish. And speaking of Swedish, you might have seen it says Tor on the day wheel. Now Tor is torsdag, that's Thursday in Swedish. So this day complication, if we unscrew, pull it to the first position. We focus, please. And we move the dates. We see that we have both in English and Swedish. Really fun, appreciative little touch for us Scandinavians or Swedes in special. Sign crown, signed with LC, which I would dare take a guess stands for Leonard Selegin, founder of the brand. And look at the distortion on that sapphire crystal. That's really nice. Also cool with the hands, the really very legible hands. As you can see, they have a dark center, I guess you can say, or the beginning of each hand is very dark, so they almost float over the dial in a very nice way. And the moment I think a lot of us been waiting for, the bezel. It's a bit of a thinner bezel, but it works well since everything else is so chunky. And the Yeah, like I said in unboxing, Seligin watches has an extremely good bezel action. No difference with this Safir watch. It's top. It's one of the best bezels I've handled in the micro brand world, to be honest. Up there with my Certinas and so on and so forth, if not even better. So for the money, that's extremely good. All in all, it's well built, it's chunky, it's a bit of fun. It's very comfortable on wrist. I will soon put it on my wrist, but first let's see if we have any moans and niggles. Do I? Well, for the price, to be honest, no. The crown could maybe have been a bit slightly chunkier. It's easy to grip, but since everything else is so chunky, maybe the crown could have been a slightly chunkier. But also it won't push into wrist, so I guess a give and take. We have no on-the-fly micro adjust. That's okay for the price, no worries. And the same, no quick release spring bars, which seems to be almost becoming standard. But again, putting all the money into the watch head itself, I understand. Look at that air coating coming and going. Isn't that just lovely? So I think all that's left to do now, to be honest, is put on wrist and give some final verdict of this Safir Hajen. Roughly 17 centimeter wrist. Let's put it on. Now, like I said, this is the prototype, so the finished product will be even better. On my 17 centimeter wrist, it hugs the wrist nicely. Now it's chunky. This won't be a dress watch. It won't go under any cuff, I don't think. But it's sturdy. Like I said in unboxing, feels like a kind of watch you want to bring with you out into nature, out into the ocean. Really grippy, and that extension, since the bezel extends further than the case, is really easy to grip and to use for its intended purposes. So all in all, actually, I would dare say it's a home run on the first Safir watch. I really have enjoyed wearing it. Thank you so much, Leonard, for letting me handle your watch, to review it, to test it out. Can't wait for a finished product coming out in September, or if you're watching this after September, it's already out, so yay. And yeah, I would recommend this watch. It's really nice. And I would dare say that's it for this time, guys. For more pictures of the watch, go check out my Instagram, link down below. And until next time, as usual, please take care, stay safe, please consider subscribing and liking. And until next time, bye bye.